Features and functions of an LG microwave oven. Congratulations on your new LG microwave oven. This versatile kitchen cooking appliance can make quick work of defrosting meats, heating up leftovers, warming your coffee, and even cooking entire meals with just the touch of a button. Note that LG units have many different features and functions depending on the model. Please refer to your product owner's manual for specific details. Now let's go over them. Whether you're cooking in the kitchen or need an alarm for a reminder, the timer key gives you a convenient countdown whenever you need it. Press the timer key, then enter the desired countdown time with the number keys and press start. The power level key is very handy for quick adjustments. First touch the power level key, then press the number keys to adjust to the desired power level. Refer to the product owner's manual for the power level table. The child lock safety feature allows you to lock the control panel while cleaning the oven, or so that children cannot use the oven unsupervised. Press and hold the stop/clear key for 3 seconds to activate or deactivate child lock. One-touch settings allow you to cook some foods with a single key, such as popcorn, pizza, and potato, plus auto-cook and auto-reheat. Frozen entree requires an additional input of ounces for cooking. Defrost options include auto defrost, which can defrost by weight. Time defrost uses your specified time. Soften is for butter, ice cream, cream cheese, and frozen juice. Melt will melt butter, margarine, chocolate, cheese, and even marshmallows. Add time controls adjust cook time. Use the Add 30-sec key to add 30-second increments, and the plus key to add 10-second increments. Subtract cook time by using the minus key to deduct 10-second increments. Touching the energy-saving key will keep the display turned off when not in use. Vent high/low/off allows you to adjust the speed of the vent or turn it off completely. Light on/off controls the interior light. The Easy Clean interior resists stains and buildup, so you can wipe out spills or splatters with just a damp cloth and little effort. Thank you for choosing LG. We hope you enjoy your microwave oven. For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the LG.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.